Elena Rose lived in a quiet town in England. She worked in a makeup store and loved beauty and fashion. Every evening she watched fashion shows on her phone. She wanted to work in Paris one day. She wanted to be around models, lights and cameras. One morning she looked in the mirror and said, "I want more. I want to follow my dream." She packed her favorite red dress, some money, and her makeup tools. She smiled, closed the door, and started her journey. Elena went to London first. She stayed in a small hotel. The streets were busy. The people looked smart and confident. She walked everywhere, holding her makeup bag like a treasure. At a beauty event, one makeup artist didn't arrive. Elena offered to help. They said yes. She did one model's makeup. Everyone loved it. A woman came to her and said, "You're good. Have you ever thought about Paris?" Elena smiled. That was her dream. Elena took a train to Paris. She stayed with a student she met online. The apartment was small, but it had a lovely view. She made a small business card. Elena Rose, makeup artist. She walked to shops and cafes giving out her card. People liked her warm smile and soft voice. She started getting small jobs. One day, a famous designer saw her photos on the internet. He asked her to work at his fashion show. It was her first big show in Paris. The room was full of lights, mirrors, and tall models. Elena wore a black jacket and red lipstick. She felt nervous but stayed calm. She worked quietly and quickly. One model said, "You make me feel beautiful." A man took a photo of Elena at work. He shared it online. Many people saw it. After the Paris show, Elena was invited to Milan. A fashion magazine wanted her to work with them. She flew to Italy and stayed in a nice hotel. She worked with stars and helped new artists too. At a party, she met Luca, a kind photographer. They talked about dreams and travel. He made her laugh. She liked his gentle heart. After many months, Elena visited her hometown. She went back to her old store. Everyone was happy to see her. She gave free makeup lessons to young girls. She said, "Don't be afraid to dream big." Now, Elena has her own makeup brand. She travels to big cities and teaches others. She is famous, but she is still kind and simple. She writes in her notebook every night. Her last line reads, "Be strong, be kind, be beautiful."